If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for more information. The blind spot warning, BSW, and intelligent blind spot intervention, I-BSI, systems can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to help detect other vehicles in the blind spot detection zone. In addition to the radar sensors, the I-BSI system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to monitor the lane markers of your traveling lane. When the radar sensor detects vehicles in the detection zone and your vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than approximately 20 miles per hour, the blind spot warning side indicator illuminates. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice and the blind spot warning side indicator light flashes. The I-BSI system is activated when it senses a vehicle in the detection zone. You are driving at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour and your vehicle is approaching the lane marker. I-BSI operates regardless of turn signal usage. The system will chime 3 times and then assist the driver to return the vehicle to the center of the traveling lane. Push the ProPilot Assist button located here to activate the I-BSI system. I-BSI is on when the indicator light illuminates in the instrument panel. The I-BSI provides an audible warning, and the indicator light flashes when the I-BSI is activated even if the BSW system is off. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Blind Spot Assist, then Warning or Intervention to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.